Welcome, today in front of me Realme GT Master Edition, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first, you should press for a while with your finger to your screen, and for example now you can select a few applications, for example the sixth one, and just here tap to create a folder. And as can you see right now we got here the 6 applications in your folder. If you want, also you can add or create, you can create by the second way the folder. By this way, just press for a while on the application and drag it here to the another application. You can have you can see here that we got a new folder. And also if you wanna you'll use this just this way, just you can also here add the one more application by this way, just drag it here to the folder, and as can you see we got here the more apps. If you wanna, for example, ungroup this folder or remove some application from the folder, just hold for a while your screen, here tap on your folder, and for example select for example 3 applications and drag them here to your screen, tap here, and as can you see right now we got here only 5 applications. If you want, we can also rename the folder, just tap here on the name and for example give a name like apps to this folder. So by this way, if you want, also we can just move here on the screen or between the screens our new folder, also we can turn it back. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.